In this video, I'll walk you through how to generate compliance reports in Tenable in just a few quick steps. Whether you're working with Tenable IO or Tenable SC, understanding how to pull accurate compliance reports is essential for maintaining security and staying compliant. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also show you how you can use Tenable for free and share some exclusive bonuses that'll help you maximize its potential. First things first, to generate compliance reports in Tenable, you need to start by logging into your Tenable account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Compliance tab in your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your policies and the reports related to them. Next, you'll select a policy to work with. Policies in Tenable are essentially a set of compliance checks based on the standards you need to follow, whether it's PCI DSS, HIPAA, or any other regulatory framework. When you choose a policy, Tenable will analyze your assets based on those criteria. Now, it's time to run the compliance scan. Simply navigate to the Scans section, choose New Scan, and select the compliance check you want to execute. You'll be prompted to choose the assets you want to scan, and from there, Tenable will begin its analysis. Depending on the size of your network, this could take a few minutes to complete. Once the scan is finished, it's time to view the results. Go back to the Compliance section and find the specific scan you just ran. You'll see an overview of your compliance status, which will indicate any failures or vulnerabilities that need attention. This helps you pinpoint areas where your system might not be fully compliant and need improvements. The fourth thing you need to do is generate the actual report. On the Scan Results page, look for the option to Generate Report and select it. Tenable gives you a few different format options for the report, such as PDF, HTML, or CSV, depending on what suits your needs. Next, customize the report. You can choose to filter by specific assets, policies, or timeframes. This makes it easier to focus on the most relevant compliance information for your organization. Now, after customizing, hit Generate, and your report will be ready. You can download it directly or schedule recurring reports to be sent to your email at a set interval, which is especially useful for ongoing compliance monitoring. Finally, it's important to know that Tenable's compliance reports are dynamic and will update automatically based on your scans. This means you can regularly check your compliance status without having to manually rerun scans every time. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Tenable for free using the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get the most out of the software. In summary, generating compliance reports in Tenable is quick and easy once you know where to look. From selecting your policy to customizing the report format, Tenable makes it simple to stay on top of your compliance requirements. Remember, you can start using Tenable today for free, so don't miss out on the extended trial and bonuses available through the link below.